Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, responding to a question that you have left me, a person who has a car with a turbo diesel engine and has broken the turbo conch, and his mechanic told him that it is because the particulate filter is clogged, and he asks how it is possible for a turbo conch to break. Let's see, the turbo conch, as well as the intake manifold exhaust. In this case we are talking about the turbo exhaust snail, as I said. The turbo exhaust snail, like the exhaust manifold, are designed to work between 700 and 800 degrees Celsius. The exhaust gases come out from the combustion chamber at around 1000 degrees Celsius, maybe sometimes even hotter. What happens is that they come out quickly, and they have to be evacuated quickly too. The more you accelerate, the faster they come out. But of course, if the DPF particulate filter or catalytic converter is clogged, it is as if it had a stopper, so these gases will concentrate both in the turbo exhaust conch and in the exhaust manifold, and they will raise those temperatures. And from 1000 degrees Celsius or even 1100 degrees Celsius, the expansion value is already exceeding. What does this mean? That cracks are going to occur, and these cracks will end in fracture. That's why we see from time to time when both shells, especially the exhaust shell and exhaust manifolds, with cracks, sometimes, even, the heat is transferred to the intake shell, although less, but it also happens sometimes, and it also cracks, because this shell, the intake one, resists less temperature. This, in diesel engines, in gasoline engines, the exhaust gases come out at a higher temperature, approximately 1200 or 1300 degrees Celsius. Both the turbo and the exhaust manifold, they are designed to resist higher temperatures. But exactly the same thing can happen. If there is an obstruction, the temperature rises. The working temperature is exceeded, and they end up breaking as well. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.